What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock guys, and there will be a video coming out for the morning update on Nvidia as well because, well, there is market manipulation going on, well, which is not uncommon, but it's just that I get a chance today to discuss that with you. And Tesla is being hammered by the manipulation of analysts. I'll show you it in the data as well, and the data from yesterday as well, what we were looking at, and it was really puzzling, right? Like I'll talk through a lot of the things. I have this options data here with me. I'll talk about this as well, what I'm seeing now. And Tesla, we did have the hot consumer price data, hot inflation data, and that has also affected the market. But Tesla is being pounded by analysts' downgrade as well, right? So we'll see where the chain reaction started, why it is happening, does it even make sense, or as I said, is it a complete analyst's manipulation? So in this video, we'll take a look at all of that with the price action on Tesla, and let's see, can Tesla, after these downgrades, can it still be resilient and still stay bullish for us? So we'll talk about all of that in this video. And with that, guys, please note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcome. I'm only providing my educational opinion. And please hit the like and subscribe as well. All right, so guys, where did it start actually? So Wall Street analysts adjust price targets for Nvidia and Tesla. And we have Nvidia going up today. I'll talk about it in another video, but we have Morgan Stanley coming out and upping its price target for no reason, but affecting the stock price, right, to the upside because they want to pump it up. Yeah, so, and again, there is no other reason, right? Like technicals we have been covering, but again, I'll talk about Nvidia in another video, not in this one. Here we go for Tesla. We have Jefferies analyst maintained a hold rating on Tesla, but reduced the price target to 165 from 185. Okay, and that combined with this Wall Street, hot consumer price data. And this actually, after this, I was looking at the timeline, so I'm checking the timestamp and everything. After these downgrades, series of downgrades came on Tesla. Piper Sandler cuts the price target. You can see here on the right hand side. Piper Sandler cuts the price target from 225 to 205. Jefferies cuts the price, well, that's something I already talked about. Bank of America Security cuts price target on Tesla to 220 from 280. So you can see Tesla is being completely hammered down. For what reason? What did Tesla do in a day? Hot inflation data, does it has to do something? Well, I'm not quite sure. I'm just seeing that they're adjusting the price target here, right? But the thing is that we have had on hot inflation data before as well. We never had such downgrades back then. Like, why is it? So I want to take you here to the options chart real quick. So before we even go further, I want to first give you some definitions of what you are seeing up here. So the gray ones are here, the lines, vertical gray lines are the previous price where it closed. So this one was the weekend price, 164, where this leftmost gray vertical line is. The rightmost gray vertical line is where tomorrow's price close was, okay, which was at almost $176. This is when, at the time of doing this video, I know Tesla is a little bit up. When I started the video, it was at 177 and something. It's right now at 172 almost. But you will get my point here. So yesterday, let's talk about this gray line on the rightmost side. And I was talking to you guys that, and oh, sorry guys, one more thing. Bright green is the current today's options open interest, and the red, bright red is the current options open interest on the put side. The bright red is the open current as of right now, puts options, and the bright green is the current calls open interest. Then as you see, the darker greens are the ones from the previous day, so yesterday and on the weekend. So the weekend one are the darkest green, And then the darkest red is the weekend red. Sorry, the darkest red is the weekend put options, and then the in the middle red color, which is like right over here, like a hazy red something, that is the yesterday's options data. So on the put side. So what we were seeing yesterday was I was saying Tesla is being bullish since the weekend. The sentiment has been Elon Musk has changed the sentiment to the upside. Technicals are also confirming to the upside. We had double bottoms. We already started forming on the hourly interval these uptrends, right? Higher highs, higher lows, right? And we were following a great trend line. Everything was bullish on Tesla. We were even above 200 hours moving average, right? Now, but on the options, even on my yesterday video, I'll highly suggest you check out this video of mine yesterday that I did right up here. And we were seeing that there were still much higher puts options, right? And less of the calls, even though Tesla was going up. And today put options have increased more. Look at these bright red color lines, the increase, and the calls haven't increased that much. Look at it. The bright red, the puts option are increasing so much, right? Does it starts to make some sense? Why is analysts downgrades coming out of nowhere, even though price action has been confirming uptrend, right? Tesla has been doing all the good confirmations above 20 days moving average, all the positives going upside, sentiment news to the upside, Reuters lying about Tesla scrapping its cheaper model, Elon Musk bringing out Robotaxi, all these positive news, but the put options for this week expirations are still increasing to the downside and analysts pounding to the downgrade, right? So you can understand that it's guys, I can't find any other reason other than it's analysts manipulating the market, and that is fine. I'm not saying, oh wow, this is what is this, right? Oh no, I caught on to something. No, I know this is how it works in the market. It's just that it's always very painful, right? It's very painful because to some degree market manipulation is immoral, right? And it's just very painful to see that. But hey, it's the game, and you just gotta play the game the way it's played, and it is what it is, right? So yeah, that's that. And guys, if you found this helpful, I mean, I spent a lot of time today to get through all this data. Okay, please hit the like and subscribe if you are finding this helpful and valuable. So now, junior trader, does this make Tesla bearish from here? So guys, it depends how it closes the day today. So the things that look, this is all pushing bad news away from Tesla now. If Tesla can hold on to, even after all these bad news, can still hold on to the technicals, those puts are cooked, okay? Those bears will be cooked. So what we want to see for those bears to be cooked is we got to stay above 20 days moving average today. We got to close above 20 days moving average today. It's very important, okay? And on hourly interval, the thing is that yes, the structure has again broken, all right? Unfortunately, we have lost the pivot that we were having of higher highs, higher lows. We have lost that trend line as well, right? And unfortunately, we have lost the structure. We need to get also above, if we can close above 200 hours moving average today, the red line or the green red line, and above 20 days moving average. That's something is very important for Tesla to do today if we want to stay bullish. Otherwise, expect some choppiness. I'm not gonna go bearish on this right now. I first want to see how the day closes, but then we'll talk about the price action. But yes, 175 is an overhead resistance now in the structure break already. This is the structure break at 175. So if we can capture today 175 or tomorrow as well, we will stay bullish. Otherwise, they expect some choppiness, and hopefully no other downgrades would come. No more market manipulation would be done on Tesla. And but yeah, these are the two things importantly that Tesla has to do. So let's go to the 5 minutes interval as well, and let's see what we have here. So Tesla is trying to find a base here, guys, but look, so It all depends if Tesla can be brought up above $175 today. Okay, that's where the market open supply zone is as well. So yep, it's important for Tesla to get above that, and then we'll talk about the price action more. But I just want to show you the data. Tesla is still not that bad, guys. Like if I take you back to that options data, we still have so many puts these to the downside, which in the percent, if I yeah, if you look on your data broker or anything, I mean, I trade with the shares, but these options data helps in understanding some sentiment as well, right? Where is the betting happening, why market is, how manipulations are going on, right? But these puts might be higher in the increased percent based on when these hedge funds are playing it, right? And when are they trying to get out of it? But I mean, if they're just buying and selling contracts, right, not holding until expiration. But all this data, like everything, even yesterday, we had so many high puts, and Tesla was all looking uptrend, right? No wonder why those downgrades are coming, and Tesla is being manipulated. But look at it, Tesla is 172 and 36 cents already. It's not that bad, guys. It's resilient. It's still being resilient, right? It's getting bought back up. Let's see how it closes the day. If we can close above 175, that's great, and or even just 200 hours moving average. But it's very important to stay above 20 days moving average. So we gotta close above that today. So guys, let's see. I'll cover in the afternoon as well Tesla, and I'll be coming out with other videos. Nvidia also being manipulated to the upside though, but I'll talk about Nvidia in the other video. So this is Tesla, guys, for today. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.